If you're on a mission to transform your home with impressive devices that combine visual appeal with functionality, there's a wide range of products available for you on the market. Having the right tech gadgets can make a tremendous difference. So if you're wondering what some of these best products you can get for your hands on are, we've made your life easier. From lamps that can detect fires, to gadgets that allow you to listen to podcasts in the shower, there are many incredible gadgets for you to choose from. Better stick till the end, because there's no way you wouldn't want number one in your bedroom. Let's begin. Number 11. NOBI Smart Lamp. If you're looking to replace the old lamps in your house, get your hands on the most incredible option available. NOBI, a smart light that lets you detect any possible falls, fires, or other dangers in your home. NOBI will provide you and your family peace of mind, and improve care and communication while being especially useful for seniors. This gadget works without any batteries and offers service 24/7. It'll remain alert throughout the day, ensuring you get the most comfortable sleep without worrying about anything. It's super easy to install and it requires no new cables. Replace your ceiling light with NOBI and you're good to go. Number 10. BEALE MEASUREFILL Kitchen Faucet. Do you wish there was a way to measure the exact amount of water you need from the tap to prevent waste? Well, the new BEALE MEASUREFILL Touch Faucet is the first gadget on the market that does precisely that. You can get an adjustable water volume on demand, so your cooking and baking would be a lot easier. BEALE would also help you clean up unnecessary clutter in the kitchen by reducing the need for additional tools. BEALE's best part is that it offers touch capability, allowing you to turn it on and off with the touch of the dial. Number 9. August Smart Lock. Smart home needs smart security, and this offers the optimal protection for your home. August Smart Lock has a compact design, a sleek style, and is remarkably powerful. Basically, everything you need in a lock. You can even check door status, allow visual guest keys, lock and unlock your door, and keep track of who's coming and going, all remotely. The smart lock is super easy to install, and unlike many other smart locks out there, you don't need to replace your original keys for this. It'll attach to the existing deadbolt on the inside of your door effortlessly. It also offers built-in Wi-Fi and needs no additional bridge to connect. Number 8. EYE-VAC Touchless Stationary Vacuum. Clean up your house within minutes more effortlessly than ever before using the EYE-VAC Touchless Stationary Vacuum. Guests showing up with an hour's notice will never be a problem again if you get your hands on this cool, innovative gadget. It's the most convenient way to clean on the market, and it's especially beneficial for all the pet owners out there. EYE-VAC would clean up after your furry friends like it's no big deal. It works for pretty much any kind of hard floor. All you have to do is sweep up the mess, and EYE-VAC will take care of the rest. Imagine all the time you'd be saving with this device. Number 7. KATCHY Indoor Insect Trap. Are you tired of insects being a real nuisance in your house? If so, KATCHY is a must-have. This life-changing gadget will eliminate all kinds of irritating bugs, fruit flies, mosquitoes, or gnats super quickly. Say goodbye to annoying mosquito bites with this stylish and easy-to-use device. It'll blend in perfectly with your home decoration, and unlike most other mosquito catchers out there, it involves no electric zapping. That means no unnecessary and disturbing noises whatsoever. To dispose of the insects caught, remove the old glue board and protective layers to expose the sticky surface. Place the sticky side up, and KATCHY is ready to be reused. Number 6. LED Lights Tap. Are you particular about the temperature of the water you drink or use for other purposes? This LED Lights Tap would be a game changer for your kitchen. You can add a brilliant green, blue, and red light stream to any faucet. The color of the gadget varies according to the water temperature. A green glow indicates a temperature of 31 degrees Celsius or lower. A blue light shows 32 to 43 degrees Celsius, and a red glow displays a temperature of 44 degrees Celsius or higher. The device is entirely water activated and requires no batteries, ensuring maximum safety for you. The manufacturers used a chrome-plated ABS in its construction, which fits most standard faucets, so you can't go wrong. Number 5. iRobot BRAAVA Jet. Deal with all kinds of stubborn dirt and stains on hard floors with a gadget that's sure to target all the difficult to reach spaces in your home. iRobot BRAAVA Jet offers a premium robot mat with precision jet spray and a vibrating cleaning hand. It'll even eliminate dried coffee and soda stains on the wet mode. This gadget proves to be highly efficient to get to areas under and around toilets, into corners, and below cabinets. Its systematic cleaning pattern and navigation routes under and around objects and furniture will ensure that your house is sparkling clean before any guests show up. The device also automatically selects the specific cleaning modes based on the area you want it to scrub. So it can choose from wet mopping, damp mopping, and dry sweeping all by itself. Number 4. AMPERE Desk. We spend a considerable amount of time on laptops and other such devices, so the need for a handy workstation is more evident than ever before. Meet AMPERE Desk, the world's first portable station that lets you work anywhere you like with maximum comfort. It's not just a portable desk that you can easily use. It's a complete system that enables you to use your laptop to its fullest potential. Whatever activity you're performing, you can now do it with all your peripherals connected using a mouse of your choice while enjoying a nice drink. The manufacturers claim to have tested over 80 pounds of load on this terrific gadget, and it works wonderfully well under all conditions. AMPERE Desk comes in 4 editions with different folding capabilities, so there's an option for everyone out there. Number 3. Tilt Automatic Blinds. Tilt brings you app-controlled and energy-conserving smart blinds that take your bedroom to a whole new level. They look incredibly stylish, but they're surprisingly simple to install. You can do it on your own. Once you've set up the shades, customize the automatic tilting and adjust it according to the temperature, time of day, and more. Using built-in sensors, Tilt controls the temperature and lighting in your home, allowing you to experience maximum comfort. Its app enables you to set up favorites for quick access, get battery updates, see when solar charging occurs, set daily and weekly schedules, view and manage all your rooms, and use triggers to customize lighting depending on the events. It also offers Alexa and Google connectivity, so you can effortlessly turn it on and off anytime you please. Number 2. AMPERE Shower Power. An award-winning waterproof speaker that generates 100% of its power from water. Shower Power is a gadget that you cannot ignore. You'll never get bored in the bathroom again, because this device lets you listen to your favorite music, podcasts, and audiobooks while showering. Shower Power's innovative design ensures that it fits a wide range of shower heads. It's also made from 100% recycled ocean plastic, so you'd be doing the environment a favor by getting one immediately. Most of us love listening to our favorite music and podcasts at all times. But if there's one place in the house where you can't enjoy a good sound, it's the shower. However, that will no longer be the case with AMPERE's remarkable creation in your bathroom. Shower time never sounded this exciting before. Number 1. The Ultimate Smart Bed. If there's one gadget that's an absolute must-have in your bedroom, it's the Ultimate Smart Bed Set. This Belna luxury bed with a Chase lounger chair and Bluetooth speakers will revolutionize your bedroom entirely. The bed set comes with multiple extraordinary features, including a motorized massage bed, sound system with speakers, openable glass holders, a bookcase, a natural walnut Wiener side table, reading lamps, hidden safe, solid wooden legs, and more. It is the ultimate fusion of aesthetics and functionality. And with this piece of furniture in your bedroom, there's no doubt all your friends will be impressed. There's a modular footstool accompanying the bed, which you can move around to connect to each module according to your need. It's quite possibly the best bed ever, and you'll never want to get rid of it. Alright, Comment below which of these gadgets you want to get your hands on first. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.